What was this? Oh. So you can time out to be that's so Nicole and live my life off screen. What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Nicole, and this is That's So Nicole. I am back with another video, and in today's video we are doing an unboxing. I'm so excited because this is my first time doing an unboxing, and if you saw by the thumbnail, then you see that it is something that is just going to enhance my life and bring light into it. You like that? I like it. Okay, so without further ado, if you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to turn the notification bell on so you will not miss when I post my videos. So let's go ahead and jump into my first unboxing. So hopefully you all can hear me pretty well. So basically this is my new toy. It's like so much bigger than me, you guys. This is the Sunpak 19-inch bi-color LED ring light kits. You probably seen this around. A lot of popular YouTubers use it, a lot of photographers, videographers, pretty much anybody that's into video, then you pretty much have seen this ring light because it's a popular item. And I'm so glad that I have it now. Compared to my last ring light that I had, it was a mini one. So this is my other ring light. Like, I have used this a lot in a lot of my other videos, but it has the 1, 2, and 3 this way, cell phone holder on this one. So this one's actually pretty neat. The only thing that I didn't like about this is that the mount ball, or the head ball, whatever you want to call it, I can't remember what it is, but anyways, it became loose really fast. But it is also made by the same brand, Sunpak. So let me go ahead and open it up. This is like literally my first time opening this, and I've had it for about 2 weeks now, like no cap. But I had to get my life together, you guys. So here we go. So basically what this whole pack comes with, it features the bi-color illumination, 448 high-powered 60-watt LEDs. Like, that's amazing. It's super slim design, daylight and okay, all of that. Nobody wants to know that. Okay, so it has the smartphone adapter, 360 ball head mount adapter. So basically that little ball thing that I was just showing y'all on my other ring light, that's what that is. Adjustable base, color temperature control, AC adapter, power port, on and off dimmer control. That's pretty neat. 4-section light stand, a maximum height of 72 inches, which is perfect for me because y'all know I'm only 5'1". So shoulder and hand carry straps. That's cool because, you know, if you want to go traveling with this thing, that comes in handy for that. Okay. So let's get it open, you guys. Let's get it open. Here goes the unboxing. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. So first thing, I don't know what to pull out first. So first thing out the box, sounds like it's the stand. So let's see. I don't know about y'all, but does anybody else, and I open it upside down, but does anybody else get like excited when they get, like, that's how I know I'm older, like out of my 20s, or, you know, because I get excited about things like this, like electronics, home decor, like organization. Like, my sister-in-law sent me a funny meme. It had something to do with like being excited when you go to the store and find like a deal on organization stuff for like your kitchen cabinets. Like, that's me. Okay, so yeah, so this was the stand. It feels pretty sturdy too. Like, this is real. Look at this. It's upside down, you guys. Only me. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like all together. I'm gonna give y'all full, like, from top to bottom when I put it together. But Let's see, the next item out the box is the ring light. The ring light. The ring light. So this is the nice bag it says it comes with. The carrying bag. There's nothing else in the box. I'm gonna put this box to the side. Let's unzip it and see. I forgot to say, like, a lot of makeup artists, they use ring lights too. A lot of beauty vloggers, because, you know, lighting is important when they're doing their face. So this is the instructions, like how to assemble the ring light all together. I'm pretty sure it's not difficult, but being Nicole, sometimes I act a little, you know. So the instructions are definitely gonna come in handy, and also so I don't break anything. So besides that, ooh, this is cute. This is cute. It's like a little, look at it. And it feels really, really like nice and weather resistant, like if it gets wet or whatever. So in here, it has that little ball thing that you're gonna, the 360 ball, that's what this is. Can y'all see it? This is really like, I low-key like this bag. This, it looks like the adapter. Yeah, the AC adapter. So this is like for your smartphone holder. And then this is the cord, the power cord. So I think this is the big reveal, y'all. The big one. Dun, 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 dun. And we have lights, you guys. We have lights. Look how big it is. Like, oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. So this little piece here is where you put the, what is it called, smartphone holder, or like where you want to put the camera, so that the camera can be in the middle, but surrounding the camera will be the light illuminating on you, so therefore you can get the light that you need, but also focus on the lens. Don't look up there, Nicole, look at the lens. You turn it around, let me see. So this, it looks like it's the adapter, I'm assuming, like the charger thingy. This is the dimmer, so like if I want to turn it on and off. And then this is the color, what does it say? Color temperature. What does it say? Color temperature something. So this is to, I guess, adjust like the 360, like if I want the ring light to be this way, then, or this way, or not wobbly, then basically this is what I'll use for that. Let me go ahead and assemble it now, or try to assemble it. Y'all, like, when I tell y'all I do not like putting stuff together, I don't have the patience. I thought I did, but I do not. Well, at least I have this part put together. Let me see. Oh, look at me. I didn't posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Why would they trick me? Like, look, y'all, it was like this, and I'm like, how is it supposed to mount? But I was supposed to twist it and turn it like this. Like, y'all just don't understand. Whew, okay, breathe, okay. I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. And if y'all watch my move-in video, which I'll put in the link up there, and I'll also put the thumbnail here, so make sure y'all go click it. Like I said in that video when I gave y'all the empty apartment tour, the rooms do not have a lot of great natural light, so this definitely comes in handy, especially when I start filming a lot more in my office space. So with that being said, I'm definitely doing this wrong, so stop talking, right? Because it's not, oh wait, it could be, it could be that way, because look, I could do it. The things you discover, like when you just, girl, you are just all over the place. So yeah. Just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. Wow, oh my god, you can see the natural light coming here, but if I wanted to make it like boom, ba ba boom, then this is not even me like adjusting the lighting. I literally just turned it on. I haven't made it like brighter, or so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Like, look, y'all. What? Like, what? Like, look at how bright this is now. So this is the different temperatures. I really wish it had a remote so that I don't have to, you know, adjust it while I'm doing this. But so this is, see how crazy it looks? Like, this is at its lowest, and so that's off. And then I love my Canon G7X, you guys. Like, I mean, I love Old Faithful too, don't get me wrong now. My iPhone 8 Plus, don't come for me, do not come for me. But yeah, so this is adjusting the different lighting. This is the brightest. Wow, like, I can only imagine what it would look like at nighttime when I don't have the natural light coming in. Like, that is gonna look really, really good. And thanks to Fenty, like, my skin is popping, y'all. Like, if you haven't watched that video either, make sure you go watch it. I'll make sure to put the link right here and the thumbnail right here, so make sure y'all go watch it. And what is this? What was this? Oh. So you can like do the different temperatures. So like if I want to make it, so if I want to keep it this bright, right, but then turn the temp down just a little bit, it kind of gives it like that little yellow tint to it. Ooh, it gives you like that, what's that color? Oh my god, I don't even know the name of that color, but it gives you like that little vintage look, right? Like, ooh, so the different temperatures. Ooh, and this kind of gives it like a blue temp. Ooh, y'all, I am just, okay. See, this is the only thing I don't like. Okay, so the pros about this ring light, obviously, y'all see my reaction. That was real reaction because it's my first time unboxing this ring light. So that is like literally, like, I'm just amazed at how much of a difference just having that extra lighting will do for your videos, for your pictures and anything like that. So I really, really hope that you like it. Drop your comments down below, so, you know, if you saw or have questions about anything that I haven't touched in this video. Be sure to drop the comments down below. If you have this ring light and you've discovered something that you think could help me, drop the comments down below. I'm all about learning and sharing the knowledge that I have as well. I'm really, really excited to use this ring light and see what my future videos look like moving forward, because now I have lights. Let there be lights. Light. Okay. That's it, you guys. This is my first unboxing and I am so overjoyed. I am ready to just do so many other videos now just because of this light. Like, it definitely does something to the aura just by having extra lights. If you do not have this ring light, or if you are in the market and looking for a ring light, this is definitely a good investment. It is a little pricey, however, you should invest in the things that are going to enhance your life. So I'll link this ring light down below in the description box so that if you do decide to get it, you'll know where to get it from. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. You already know what to do. Like I said in the beginning, if you are new here and you made it all the way to the end, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back and showing your support. If you made it all the way to the end and you want to let your girl know that you made it all the way to the end, I would so appreciate it if you drop the light bulb emoji. Yes, everybody has it, rather you're Android or iPhone, you have the light bulb emoji right there. Drop it down in the comment, let your girl know that you made it all the way to the end. And until the next video, you guys, thank you so much, love you all, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.